Hello students, very good morning. In today's session, we will be discussing budgetary control practical problems. Guys, as you all know, in budgetary control, we can expect two types of problem, that is flexible budget and cash budget. Now we will discuss about flexible budget. Later we will move on to the cash budget. So guys, under flexible budget, we are already discussed first problem through Zoom app. Now we are move on to the second problems. Guys, in second problem, see the question here. The expenses for budgeted production of 10,000 units in a factory is given below. The expenses for budgeted production of 10,000 units. If the company want to produce 10,000 units, the expected expenses are given below. So materials rupees 50 per unit, labor rupees 20 per unit, variable overheads rupees 10 per unit, fixed overheads rupees 50,000, direct expenses rupees 2 per unit, selling expenses rupees 10 per unit, and 10% fixed. Okay, so 10% fixed, remaining 90%, that is variable expenses, and distribution expenses 20% fixed. If it is 20% fixed, remaining 80% are variable, and administration expenses rupees 40,000, and total cost per unit 106. Prepare a flexible budget for the production of 8,000 units indicating cost per unit. See the solution. So flexible budget for 8,000 units and 10,000 units. Guys, in question they have clearly mentioned prepare a flexible budget for the production of 8,000 units. This information is completely based on 10,000 units. Now we have to prepare for 8,000 units. So flexible budget for 8,000 units and 10,000 units. Take 5 columns: particular, 8,000 units and per unit, and 10,000 units and per unit. So why we have to prepare for per unit budget? Because they clearly mentioned prepare a flexible budget for the production of 8,000 units indicating cost per unit. For that reason we are preparing for the per unit budget also. Okay, the first information, materials. So materials rupees 50 per unit. So material rupees 50 per unit. This information were based on 10,000 units. Okay, so materials rupees 50 per unit. So per unit value 50 rupees. How much we have, how much units we are producing? 10,000 units. So 10,000 units into 50 per unit, 5 lakh. And now we are preparing for 8,000 units. So per unit value same, remain 50 rupees. 50 into 8,000 units, 4 lakh. And next, labor. So labor rupees 20 per unit for 10,000 units. For 10,000 units, how much? 20 rupees. 20 into 10,000. So you can use calci if you want. 20 into 10,000, 2 lakh. Okay, and rupees 20 rupees per unit. Okay, they are given per unit value. So 20 into 8,000 units, 1,60,000. Next, variable overheads. So variable overheads rupees 10 per unit for 10,000 units. 10 per unit rupees for 10,000 units. 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. 1 lakh. And 10 per unit, 10,000 into 8,000. 10 per unit into 8,000. So 80,000. Next, fixed overheads. Fixed overheads rupees 50,000 for 10,000 units. Okay, even for 8,000 units also it remains same because that is fixed expenses. Fixed expenses ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 8,000, 6,000, 9,000 ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ದ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 10,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 50,000 ಆದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ 8,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 50,000 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 10,000, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ per unit value. So per unit value calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ just we have to divide by the units. 50,000 divided by 10,000 units, rupees 5 per unit. Okay, so 50,000 divided by 8,000 units, rupees 6.25. I repeat, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 50,000 ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 50,000 ಫಾರ್ 10,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ 10,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. So fixed overheads is nothing but, overhead is nothing but indirect expenses. Fixed overheads 50,000 for 10,000 units. Okay, if it is fixed expenses ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it remains same for every units. So 8,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ 50,000 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ 6,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 50,000 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 10,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5 per unit. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 50,000 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 8,000 per unit 6.25. The next expenses, direct expenses. So direct expenses, you can see here, direct expenses 2 per unit for 10,000 units. So 2 per unit. So 10,000 units into 2, 20,000. Okay, and 2 per unit for 8,000 also. So 2 into 8,000, 16,000. Okay, the next, selling expenses 10% fixed. Selling expenses 10% fixed. So it is a one semi variable expenses. Okay, idana semi variable expenses antivi. So for this we have to prepare note for selling expenses. Guys, see here, in that selling expenses we can find it out fixed expenses and variable overheads. So fixed 10% fixed ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಮೌಂಟು? ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು 10 per unit. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್, ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 10 per unit. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡು 10%. ಸೊ 10, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 10 ರೂಪೀಸಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 10%. ಸೊ 10 into 10%. ಸೊ ₹1 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, 1 ರೂಪಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ₹1, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ 90%. ಸೊ 10 ರೂಪೀಸಲ್ಲಿ 1 ರೂಪೀಸು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 90%, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 9 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ expenses. So it varies from the units. Okay, so fixed expenses ₹1 and variable expenses ₹9. So ee riti note prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, we have to prepare note like this. And first semi variable expenses, first we will prepare for fixed expenses. Fixed for 10,000 units ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಮೌಂಟು? ₹1. So per unit value 1 into 10,000 units, 10,000 rupees. If it is fixed expenses, it remains same for 8,000 units. Okay, so ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ 50,000 ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 10,000. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಸೊ 10,000 divided by 8,000 units, 10,000 divided by 8,000 units 1.25. Okay, next variable expenses. Next variable expenses, fixed expenses prepare ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸೆಮಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 9 per unit for 10,000. ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ 10,000 units ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 9 per unit. ಸೊ 9 into 10,000, 90,000. ಓಕೆ, per unit value 9 into 8,000, 72,000. ಓಕೆ, 9 into 10,000, so 9 into 8,000, 72,000 variable expenses. Guys, I repeat, fixed expenses amount remains same but per unit value differ, but variable expenses per unit will be same but amount will be differ. Okay. The next, distribution expenses. The next, distribution expenses. In the distribution expenses, 20% fixed. Distribution expenses, 20% fixed. Distribution expenses 20% fixed. If it's 20% fixed, remaining 80% are variable. First we will prepare for fixed expenses. Fixed 20%. Okay, so how much we have distribution expenses? Distribution expenses rupees 5 per unit. Rupees 5 per unit. Okay, rupees 5 per unit. In that 20% is fixed. So 5 into 20%. So rupees 1 is fixed. And next, variable. In that 5, 1 is fixed. Remaining 4 rupees is variable expenses. Okay, same like selling expenses. So fixed 1 is fixed. Okay, 1 into 10,000, 10,000 units. If it is fixed expense ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು 8,000 units same amount ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 10,000. So 10,000 divided by 8,000, same 1.25. Variable expenses. Variable expenses. Okay. So variable expenses we already find out for 10,000 units. Rupees 4 is variable. So 4 into 10,000 units, 40,000. So variable expense ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so for it is variable expenses. For that reason the per unit amount will be same but the amount will be differ. So 4 into 8,000, 32,000. Okay, semi variable expenses. So these are all the variable expenses and fixed overheads, that is fixed expenses, and selling expenses and distribution expenses are semi variable expenses. And next, administration expenses. Administration expenses rupees 40,000. And next, administration expenses 40,000 for 10,000 units. For 10,000 units for administration expenses, that is 40,000. Okay, so now we have to find out the per unit. So 40,000 divided by 10,000, 4 per unit. And for 8,000 also it is 40,000 because administration expenses it is fixed. Okay, so administration expenses is a fixed expenses. For that reason the amount will be remain same for the every units. Okay, so 8,000 units ku ಮತ್ತೆ 10,000 units ku amount same irutte. Now we have to calculate per unit. So 40,000 divided by 8,000, 40,000 divided by, so rupees 5 per unit. So for this, and total cost per unit, guys, just you total this cost. If it is 108, 106, the answers will be same. Sorry, 106. Okay, just total on per unit of 10,000 units. Total units 106 into 10,000 units. 106 into 10,000. Next, total on per unit for of 10,000, sorry, 8,000 units, that is 108.75. Okay, so 108.75 into how much units? 8,000 units. 8,70,000. Or you total this amount, you will get 8,70,000. So total cost. Okay, So this is the solution for second problem. I hope everyone will understood. And next problem number 3 of flexible budget, that is expenses for the production of 10,000 units in a factory are given below. Materials rupees 70 per unit, labor rupees 20 per unit, variable overheads rupees 20 per unit, fixed overheads rupees 1 lakh, direct variable cost rupees 5 per unit, selling expenses 13 per unit. In that 10% is fixed. If it is 10% fixed, remaining 90% are variable expenses. Distribution expenses 7 per unit, rupees 20% is fixed, remaining 80% are variable expenses. Prepare a flexible budget for the production of 10,000 units and 8,000 units and 6,000 units. Also indicate cost per unit and the total cost. Same like previous problem. So there we have prepared for 8,000 and 10,000 units. In this problem you have to prepare for 6,000, 8,000 and 10,000 units. Okay. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, you will get a definitely will get a good doubt. So if you get a doubt, you contact me. In the next class we will be discussing in these problems. So try it once. Okay, try ಮಾಡಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ you can clarify. So thank you.